Welcome to the conclusion of Module 2. Wow, look at what you have achieved! You came a long way! Before I tell you about the amazing game changes that come up in Module number 3, let's have a quick recap about the past 29 videos and what we have learned so far together. First, you learned about some theory and some best practices when we talked about the core of Knime, nodes. We discussed the visual language of Knime, how to get results, and why it makes sense to name your nodes. Next, we went into hands-on work. We covered some of the most important nodes for your daily work. Such things like the Excel reader node, filters and joiners, string manipulation, and rule engines are no longer foreign to you. Then we covered why we need different data types like numbers, text, or strings as Knime calls them, and dates. In the final chapter, we discovered together some great resources that help us in our Knime journey. The Knime Hub, NodePit, and the forums, for example. Plus, I revealed a great gift to you by Knime and me, worth $20 US. And if you have not claimed it so far, pause this video now and quickly click on the first link in the video description. So what else do we have on the shelf? The next module will be an amazing one because we will dive deeper into some advanced topics with Knime. We will cover flow variables. This is an amazing feature we're going to use to automate our workflows even further. And after that, we have a huge module on Knime extensions with a very hands-on Excel use case. Stay tuned for that. As a teaser, we're going to do some auto-formatted spreadsheets and we'll send them right away by email, all automatically. If this is something you don't want to miss, make sure to leave a comment with hashtag YES in the comments down below, and of course subscribe to this channel. But we're still not done. Another chapter in module number 3 is how we can automate Knime automation. Sounds very meta, I know, and indeed it is. But it helps you to do routine tasks frequently automated. Finally, we will conclude the Knime Crash Course with some options of where you can go from there and what ideas you could cover next now that you are a Knime Advanced user and Automation Pro. Once again, make sure to like and subscribe this video and this channel, and I will see you in module number 3. And but if you want to go to the first part of this online course, click this video, and here is just another video that shows you some very funny stuff you can do with Knime. Oh, and if you want to download the resources and chat with fellow students, just go here to this page over at procurementzen.com.